Hey everybody, Carfully back, another Friday upload. Make sure you check out last week's video. You can see the 37s on the old ram ski. But now, a few things. We have to do drive shaft leak. It's not from the seal. I'm going to show you guys what I mean. Everybody calls me an idiot because yeah, you're supposed to change the seal, but I'll show you guys, and it's not coming from the seal. It's coming from like where the drive shaft connects to like the rest of the drive shaft, where the U-joint is. So I'll show you guys that. Alright guys, so we're in front of the transfer case here. What I've seen from videos and stuff is if it's leaking from the seal, there'll be like a drop right there, right? And it'll be spinning it up. But if you look, it's wet back here. See that? And look where it's spinning. It's spinning those fluids right above this thing. Which, if it's leaking from there, that doesn't really make sense. So it's leaking from here. You can put your finger in there and like, look, it's just goop. It's been leaking like that since I bought it, I'm pretty sure. So there's probably like not much fluid in there. So I'm just gonna pop out the 4 drive shaft bolts, give it a little bop with the hammer. We're just gonna slide it out. I have this seal as well. Yeah, we'll take this out and see what's going on here, because it seems to be leaking from here, like on the inside, which I've seen before. But yeah, it's not spinning here, right? It's spinning over here. So let's just take it out and get a better look. Okay guys, so drive shaft's on the bench. Now what we've concluded is the leak is coming from here because there's actually a lip, right? So there's actually joins there. It's not one piece. You can actually see there's like a spot where it could potentially leak from. And I think that's where it's coming from because this was filled with fluid. I've cleaned it up a lot. We're just gonna start with that. We're gonna take the U-joint out and I'll give you guys a closer look. Maybe this is cracked. I don't think it's cracked. I just think there's just a leak somewhere, maybe like a hairline crack, but we're just gonna JB Weld it, so. Okay guys, I got the U-joint out. Now you can see how this kind of works, right? It's not all one piece. So like this could be causing that leak. We are going to be putting some weld on it. I don't know where it is, but we're gonna keep it low where it's low, and then we're gonna try to just keep it flush, like a nice bead around the whole thing. Cake it though, because I don't want this to leak anymore. It's been giving me such a headache. Yeah, here we go, just got some quick weld. Another guy used RTV. I'm just gonna use this, just because this dries quicker. So 6 minutes, you get to play around with it, then it cures in 4 to 6 hours. I need to go to work tomorrow, so let's hope we can get this done. I'm only gonna do the one U-joint, and then we'll do the other joint another time. It's really easy to take the drive shaft out, so whenever I want. But yeah, let's get this done. All right guys, so I got it standing up. I've pretty much filled it. It's looking really good. There's no gaps or anything. So I'm gonna go get the new U-joint. I'm gonna bring that one with me. Apparently there's 2 sizes, so now that I got it, we should be able to figure out what size it is. This should be nice and set when I get back. Nice, it takes 4 to 6 hours, but it should be good enough just to get the U-joint back in and stuff. So all right everybody, so it's pretty much set. It's been like an hour since I was working on it. So I also got the new U-joint. There's the old one, the new one. Shout out to 4-wheel drive ABC for the good deal. I paid for their membership, so it was like $20 off. Yeah, it was awesome. This one's greasable as well, so I'm happy about that. It was 20 bucks greasable. Normally 40, so not bad. Let's throw this guy in. Okay guys, the drive shaft's back on, fully tightened there. Scooting under here just to show you guys what I did. We're gonna see if this works. That's the old seal still. If I need to, I'll replace that as well. But if you look, like I showed you guys earlier, see the black there, right? On the part that goes into the T-case. That's what I sealed. So let's see if that fixes it. I asked the question on Facebook. I was like, hey guys, I got a leak, but it's not from the seal. Guys like, dude, it's from the seal. And then I was like, I'm not doing this. Like, I'm not an idiot, first of all, because if it was the seal, that would have been easier than doing this. So I would have done that. But when you see the leak on the inside of that, like it was on the inside, right? Like that's highly unlikely that it would go all the way down there to the inside and like clog the inside of that. Like that doesn't make sense. And you can see if you look above, right, the spray was coming from this area, not from here. Let's just see. I mean, time will tell. It's not leaking so far. So I filled up the T-case as well. It was stripped, so we welded this on, and now I just keep it on there, which is mint. And yeah, the new U-joints in there. Not too bad actually, just getting those clips in. You have to make sure that it's not too tight either, right? Yeah, everything's good now. I'm gonna let it set for a while, then I'll take it for a test drive. Alright guys, so I just parked at the building where I work at. I'm going to check if we have a leak. It's 8 right now. Park the truck, and then we're gonna come check it at 6:30 at night when I'm done. Hopefully it shows a leak if there is one. If not, then that probably means it fixed it. Fingers are crossed. Okay guys, I'm off work, and you can see there's no leak going on. You can see it kind of looks wet there, but I ran my finger on it. That's just nothing. Yeah, leak solved. So we confirmed it. There's no leak anymore from
from the tea case, so that's mint, and it wasn't the seal. Super hyped.
Merry Christmas, everybody, from Carfleet. Hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I just wanted to say a bunch of things. We're almost at 900. I'm trying to hit 900 before January 1st of 2021. I really hope we can. And then we're 100 away from 1,000, and that 1,000 is my biggest goal right now. I'm like so hyped to hit 1,000. I'm just super excited. I still have a lot of stuff planned for all my vehicles. So for the Ram, I want to do this exhaust. I'll put a picture up here. It comes out the bed of the Ram. I want to do that just so it's out of the way. And then I have to do the bumper of my Ram still. But as you can see in this video, we fixed that leak, which is really good. Yeah, that's the Ram. Kind of just needs some tweaks like that. But the Ranger, I put a new battery in it. It's ready to go off-road. I might go this weekend, I'm not sure. I really want to go off-roading though. It's just been super hard. Like, I'm super busy with the holidays and with work, but I definitely want to go off-roading again. Dawson's Jeep has been in the shop for a long time. That's why he really hasn't been hitting the trails at all. It's gonna be an awesome year. Thank you guys so much for the support. Like, everybody who supported Carfleet, like, it's honestly crazy because like still like a small channel, right? And the support and the amount of subscribers makes me so happy. Like, I didn't really expect to honestly get anywhere with YouTube. It was kind of just like I like posting videos and like messing with my vehicles, and yeah, I mean, we're kind of getting somewhere here. Like, I'm so excited to see what the future holds for this channel. I hope you guys are too. I honestly appreciate it so much. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, it means so much to me that people watch my videos and support what I do. Appreciate you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys. Thank everybody. Thanks for just watching videos. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. Everything you guys have done, it's amazing. I hope you all have an amazing Christmas and a good New Year's, and we'll see you guys in the new year.